Welcome to Koslowski Family Farm. February 11th, 2018. We're going to talk about seed starting and peppers I am growing this year. We'll start off with the peppers that I'm growing. Emerald Giant, California Wonder, Pepper Orange Bell, the Ozark Giant, Yellow Wonder, Early Jalapeno, Keystone Giant, the Spanish Mammoth, Revolution Sweet Pepper, the Piecework Sweet Pepper, Pepper Etudia, the Pepper King of the North, the Chinese Giant, the Jupiter Pepper, the Jalapeno Giant, the Ring Leader Hybrid, Habaneros, Serranos, and Poblanos. And what I do when I do my seed starting is I label here. So, for example, it's 36 plants, and it's one row 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I don't have to put the labels on. It's nice and easy to count. And it's the King of the North, same thing. Over here, the mix I use, after I use these greenhouse and before I put them in my grow lights, I used the Jiffy Professional Greenhouse for 3 days. So I used these pea pellets. They've been outstanding. And after I put the seeds down like this, across I use Perlite, I mix Perlite, earthworm castings, and a Jiffy lube. So I mix it in this tray like this, and I mix it together. Now, let me get back to this greenhouse with the pea pellets. Let me take off this. See how small they are? They start off very small. So what I do, I get a whole pitcher of water and then I put it on the stove, heat it up, because if there's any germs that are in there, I want to, when I put these down, when they expand, they kill all the bugs. So I'm going to show you how they expand here. So you want to gradually put it, you don't want to put it too fast. This is tough doing it one person. I usually use a lot smaller. Yep, messed up there. So they will start to gradually expand, and I try to tilt this over, and they will gradually expand. And then after that, that's when I start putting the seeds down like that. And the only thing I do is take this dirt and just put it over like that. And just gradually pat it down. So that's the peppers I will be growing in the Koslowski farm this year. There should be over 500 pepper plants. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.